Hi everyone, welcome to my channel again. So today I have come up with one more very simple recipe which is very tasty as well, and that is Mooli ki sabji. I know most of them they don't like radish, even I'm one of them, but this is the only dish which I enjoy eating, and my school friends, college friends also used to like this dish a lot, and they are the ones who had asked me to share this recipe with them. So here it is dedicated to them. It does not mean that it is not for rest of you. It is for you all. Please watch it, enjoy and share it, and do try. So let's see how to make this dish.
I'm adding 2 tablespoons of oil in the pan. As the oil is already hot, now I'm adding cumin seed and mustard seed for tempering. Once it starts to splutter, add chopped onion. Here I have taken 1 medium size onion. Fry it a little and then add little green chili. Here I have taken 3 green chilies, but you can add as per your taste. Let it get fried. Wait until onion gets soft and starts to change its color. Now you may add radish. Here I have taken 2 medium size radish and I have finely grated it. So as you know, radish leaves a little bit of water, so you can squeeze it out slightly, not completely, but you can squeeze it out little water and then use it for making the sabji. Mix it well and let it cook for 5 minutes. No need to put the lid as it gets cooked easily. After 5 minutes, I have added chopped tomatoes. Here I have taken 1 small size tomato. Again mix it well and let it cook for 5 minutes in medium flame. After some time you can add little salt. This will be as per your taste, but here I have taken approximately 1 teaspoon of salt. So once the tomato gets soft and radish looks cooked, switch off the flame. Now add coriander leaves for garnishing. You can mix it well and see how nice it looks. I'm sure you wouldn't have seen this kind of radish sabji anywhere. So this is our radish ki sabji or mooli ki sabji, and it do taste really good, so do try it. And also, as you know, radish has lots of health benefits, good for BP, diabetes, gastric, and also it's very good for skin and also good for immunity. So we should add radish to our meal.
So I hope you liked the video today. If you have liked it, please do share it with all and subscribe it if you have not yet subscribed to my channel so that you don't miss any of my future videos. So I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.